Hi friends, I hope you all are doing great. It's me, Nikki, here with a spring office refresh, and I'm excited to just take you through to share with you how I made a few little tweaks to the office for the spring. So let's get started. So friends, when the new season comes in at home and at work, I'm always trying to do a refresh, and I was getting a little bored with the office, and so I want to take you through as I kind of refresh the space. And thanks to my friends at Article, they sent new furniture for my office. We were so excited. So thanks, Article. Their style fits the style of the office, but the furniture is so comfortable. We had smaller scale furniture in there before, and now the furniture is great because the team can come in here, we can meet in here. It's very comfortable, it's very beautiful. You all know I love that gray, and I love the scale and style, so it really fits the office beautifully, and it gave us a great refresh. So I love this furniture. I love having a sofa in here now along with the two chairs, and I really love the two chairs because the chairs have that beautiful gold legs, and they are swivels, so it's a lot of fun. We call it our little fun chair here that we can, if you get bored in a meeting, you kind of just roll around in the chair, but it's really just very durable in the fabric, so that I know that it'll last, especially in my business setting. I know that it'll last and really bring a lot of style and function to the space. So this was an exciting tweak to the space. Also, some tweaks that we did were the marketing material. We're kind of sitting out the things that are currently going on. You all know my book just came out, so we have like the book signs on there. And then what I used is just a letter sorter for the actual cards, you know, the kind of marketing cards. I thought it was a fun way to display the cards, and I like the little gold tint in there. And so this is what I'm using on the kind of receptionist bar there. And so by just adding in the new marketing material, it really also refreshed the space. Along with, we got new signs. I was doing individual signs with team members' names, but that's expensive as people come and go, and so I went with straight kind of departments. And of course, candy. I went and I just got tons of thank you mints in a bowl and put it out. I don't know why I didn't think to do this earlier, years ago when we moved in the office 2 years ago, but we now have mints out for guests, along with plants. Can you believe that I actually have live plants that are functioning around me? So they are working out great, and we name all of our plants also. Along with, I'm putting up a map in the lobby area so that I can identify everywhere that I have a viewer friend along with a customer. And this is just such a great reminder of how many friends that I have out there, and it just makes me feel and know that I'm so blessed to know you all or be connected to you all. And then we did some rearranging in the media office. The media office has 2 desks, along with the marketing office has 2 desks. And so we kind of rearranged move the desks around, move the chairs around just to give it a new look. Keeps things fresh. So you don't really have to spend money to give a refresh. You can just switch around the furniture and it just makes it look totally new again. And so they're loving it. I'm loving it. Along with the little tray that I have that is actually a picture frame that I flipped and had, as a little acrylic tray. And then cloth and paper, they had these little signs where it says there is luxury and simplicity. I put these in a picture frame, and they're so cute for the team members to have on their desk. And as an organizing firm, this is just kind of a fun little accessory for the desk. Now, as my services team, and they're the ones that are my organizing team that helps me with all the organizing projects, they have their office here and their desk are now side by side, which they do love. And it makes it easy for them to collaborate when they're doing inventory of items and things like that, or client information. Along with, I got them these nice swivel little holders for all of their office accessories. They really don't use many office accessories because a lot of the things that they do are computer based and also kind of inventory based, but they have their little space here. And what I did was put these artificial flowers on everyone's desk for spring. They're not real, but they are cute. And I thought that it's just a fresh way to kind of have consistency throughout the office and give everyone a different look. So in my office, I did a little refresh with the rug. You all know the rug that I had in there, the scale was off. And this beautiful rug from Article is so pretty, and it feels so good on my feet, and it fits the scale of the room. And I think it's perfect for my office, and it's not overdone, but it brings something to the space that I love. And so I have that in the space. The other thing is my new chair. I'm so excited to now have a cozy, comfy chair in my office, and I will tell you, This chair from Article is too comfortable because every time I sit in it, I take me a good, nice nap. And it just really is a beautiful chair. It's in that nice gray that I love, and it's just so cushiony. I love the pillows, and I love the plush of it. And even when I'm having sessions, and if I'm doing a lot of sessions in a day and I want to sit in the chair versus my desk the whole time, it's great for that also. And I just love the scale of it. So it's really just a nice chair. And the ottoman also, the ottoman I usually keep in the corner and I pull it out if I want to use it, and it's great in this space. Now, as far as the conference room. Now, the conference room, I didn't want to do too many tweaks. It's very light, bright. It feels springy year-round in there now. And so what I wanted to do is kind of implement spring in taste instead of things. And so by putting out some nice spring teas, it's really a great way to add to your space. So it doesn't have to always be a decor. You can add it from other senses, such as feel, touch, taste, and things like that. So that is nice to have for the team ready to go. And so that's all the refresh that I did in that space. Minus, are just general cleaning sprays and things that are changed out for the spring. Now, Mike's office is still in the works. He's still moving in, so you might see wires all over or kind of binders or papers. But as far as him, I wanted to keep it masculine, so I still wanted to keep with the theme of the office, so having the white desk does that. But then all of his accessory pieces are in that brown wood, which is a nice complement, but it gives him a masculine feel, but still keep with the theme of the office. And then lastly, I updated the signage. I wanted something that would incorporate social media on it. And so I had them come out and redo the sign so that we had our social media icons on it, along with a little trim. It needed a little extra touch. So we have trim coming around it, and it's really cute. So friends, I was so excited to take you on a journey to show how I refreshed the office, because the reason I'm on this journey is because of you. So I try to pop in with the office sometime to kind of give you some updates. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. I hope you all are doing great. And if you're not familiar with Article, check them out. I will put a link in the description box below. And thanks to Article for sending us our beautiful new office furniture. We are absolutely loving it. I hope you all are doing great. I will see you at the next video. And this is Nikki saying goodbye.